15th of August, Joe Posh and Adare, Carmody House. So we put the heating going 2 days ago, and I've come back now, and the house is sweltering. Um, so we looking at the technical side of things first. Looking at loops 1 to 14, which correspond to these loops here. Let's focus. Bedroom 1 is loop 1, and 13 and 14 there, the dining room. So in the past we were getting return temperatures after a long time of 26 degrees with a floor temperature into the floor of 45, which meant we weren't really getting heating, and the only place we were getting it is in the kitchen, where we were getting a return temperature of 33, and that felt warm. But now, if we look at it, it's completely different. In bedroom 1, we have 2 loops. The first 2 there, we're getting 43 and 45 degrees coming back. Oh, sorry, the floor temperature is 48. So that's, 100% perfect, really. And then the sitting room, or the next 2, is 42 and 46. Great as well. Bedroom 2 is the next one, 44. The ensuite there, 45. Then 45, 44, 44, 44, 43. That's all the back hall, the front hall, bedroom 3, the bathroom, and the hall, and the other portion of the hall. And then the kitchen, we have 39 and 43, a little lower than the others, but still perfectly good for heating. And in fact, 39, we need to get the room to 20, 21, 22 maybe, and we've a return temperature 39, so that's more than adequate. 44 and 45, so they're all 100%, all working fine. That means, and then when we actually measure the floors, this is what we get. So with the bathroom now, these were the temperatures we were getting before on the floors, which meant they weren't really heating. And now we're getting 35, 33, 35, 34, 32, 31, even on the floor. That's in the dining with the wooden floor. 31 in the sitting with the wooden floor again. You can see they're colder than any place we've tile. Then the bedroom with the carpet is a little cooler as well. The ensuite with tile, 39 degrees, and so on and so forth. All the floors are heating perfectly. That's our results. I just pause on that for 1 minute. So yeah, 100% heating now. And then the next step is to determine if all the controls. So now we know the heating will work. The next thing is, do the thermostats turn it off or not? And we're going to get Joe to do that over the course of the next week or so, by switching off all the stats and determining if we stop the flow. And then one final thing, I would recommend that this electrical box is changed to a modern one, where we have light indicators that show us which stats are calling. And then also, it probably is a good idea, given the changes in surface, like you've carpet here, tile here, and wood there. So you're going to need the heating on in the wood areas for twice as long as you are in the tiled areas or the carpet areas, in order to get the heat up. So it would be an idea to upgrade, not necessary, but it would be better if you were upgraded to programmable thermostats, whereby we can set different rooms to different temperatures for different lengths of time, because of the programming. And that's not necessary, but it does bring it up to date. And the same with that. Okay.